So hello viewers, you are watching INSEES. This is the first video. So now let me tell you what we are providing actually. We have sequenced different type of modules under which we have different type of segments and on which we are working on, and we will provide it at a regular interval of time. So if I have to say something about TechVision, which is our first module indeed, here we will provide you content related to electronics, instrumentation, research works, innovation, gadgets, insights, and along with it some interesting facts. So nothing more than that, let's start on with our interesting facts.
The very first fact that we're gonna learn today is why are printed circuit boards usually green in color? Green can relieve visual fatigue and aid in inspections. They are made from a glass epoxy, which is naturally green. It is due to the solder mask, which protects the copper circuits printed on the fiberglass core to prevent short circuits, soldering errors. Green is just a conventional color used for the solder resist put on the outside layers of circuit boards to ensure that stray solder does not migrate when components are soldered on. Now, moving on to our next fact. So, what is quantum internet? The quantum internet is a network that will let quantum devices exchange some information within an environment that involves the weird laws of quantum mechanics. Here, qubits or quantum bits are superposed. They can be 0 and 1 simultaneously. The whole phenomena is called superposition and lies at the core of quantum mechanics. For now, we know that the interaction between entangled quantum particles is faster than the speed of light. With a fiber optic network that can carry conventional data and quantum data, a quantum internet is becoming more of a possibility. Let's move on to the third one. So now, what about your Google search? One Google search produces about 0.2 gram of carbon dioxide. But since you hardly get an answer from one search, a typical search session produces about the same amount of carbon dioxide as does boiling a tea kettle. Google handles about 1 billion search queries per day, releasing some 200 tons of carbon dioxide per day. Now, let's have a look at the next one. Pencil marks on paper can work as electrical sensors on your skin. Yes, that's true. Pencil sketches on paper can be used as sensors that detect a variety of physiological signals, including heart rate, skin temperature, and compounds in sweat. Zhang Yan at the University of Missouri and his colleagues have developed electrodes made from the pencil marks on paper that can pick up the body's electrical signals when applied to the skin. The lines of graphite that a pencil makes on paper are conductive and can convey electrical signals that are present on the surface of human skin from underlying organs. An electrocardiogram, ECG for example, records the heart's electrical activity using electrodes fixed to the skin. And finally, the most interesting one coming your way. So, have you heard about human hair being used to improve solar technology? I guess no. So, here it is. New photovoltaic technology or PV technology called perovskite solar cells are emerging as an equally effective alternative to existing solar technologies, but with a broader range of potential applications. But two challenges prevail for this came into existence. But why human hair? The answer is its potential to produce carbon nanodots, a type of nanotechnology valued for having a range of applications and uses. A previous study illustrated that human hair could be broken down into its composite molecules such as carbon and nitrogen, allowing researchers to pull existing carbon from hair and turn it into carbon nanodots. This was both more cost-effective and less wasteful than current raw material processes used to create nanodots.